We are now hunting for the legendary crocodile. Taking a nice nature walk. These things get very, very cranky, so you gotta be careful. There it is. The Chewbacca. We just call her Karen. You don't want to get too close, these things will bite. They get very, very cranky. Hope I don't get poison ivy. I had poison ivy on my balls one time. People who ain't know I had it used to think I used to touch myself a lot. But I was like, nah, I just got poison ivy. What y'all think? This was like poison ivy? Would you touch it? I wouldn't. Hey, I'm good.
Did you get that on camera?
Nah, I ain't
You
get.
just busted your ass.
You can edit that out. Look at the beautiful
Need me to
water.
hold your hand?
No.
I should put some flip-flops before I take my shoes off.
Smell like shit out here. You see some white people in the distance playing in the creek. And fishing. Go ahead and wrap this up.